Alright, I want to show you guys how great the Jeep's running now. No more stuttering or stalling. She's running so nice and smooth now. There's second gear. Third gear. Real nice and smooth. Thank goodness I finally got it running this good. There's fourth. And this is all with the factory carb. Factory BBD Carter carburetor. I'll tell you guys a secret. A lot of it had to do with the EGR valve circuit. I was making this thing buck around and not run how I wanted it. Got everything worked out now, boy. She's a runner. There's fifth gear, fourth gear, third gear. Second and first. Got a real nice idle now, a real stable idle. No more having to worry, you know, when you take off from a dead start. You know, I don't have to give it a lot of gas and ride the clutch anymore. Or I should say, you know, not let the clutch out as fast as I can now. Now I can let it out like a normal vehicle. Not trying to brag here, just it's night and day difference. It's just so much nicer to have it run like this now. This is how I normally drive a vehicle. I don't ever drive it hard. Alrighty, well, I just wanted to show that finally got everything worked out of this thing, and it's just a total, you know, difference. I still haven't done the nutter bypass. If it stays like this, I'm not gonna do it. It's been like this for a few days now, which is terrific. And I have not done the Team Rush larger distributor cap upgrade. You know, of course, you get the adapter from the Ford V8 distributor, and then you put a I guess a Ford inline 6, I think it is, distributor cap on it to help with the spark jumping. But I don't have that issue on this one, so I'm leaving it alone. I figure if the distributor worked once upon a time when it was brand new, and they've ran this 258 forever and ever, I don't see any reason to change it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.